What's this? Oh my god, this is like this is a ridiculous kind of joke that we played on my friend. I made him like 20 G's in a weekend. And this is half of it. So this is $10,000 in $1 bills, some 5s, some 100s, and we poured it on him. But now I have to clean it up and go back to the freaking bank and deposit it.
How much money you gonna spend on college and be in debt for like half your life? At least half your life, be in debt when you can buy this course for a 1%, not even like less than 1% of what a college tuition costs, right? And be a millionaire? You're out your mind if you don't jump on this opportunity, guys. Listen, for those of you that really want to level it up and are ready to take that next level, you guys have been asking me for this. This is by far the best course, Amazon private label course of 2019 and forever. Like, not even just 2019, for anybody that ever wants to know how to do this and do it correctly and win. If you take this course, I guarantee you win. I guarantee you win. This guy's made more millionaires than the lotto did.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Alright guys, here's the deal. Here's the deal, family. Everybody has been asking, everybody wants to know, what is the best? Because you don't want to waste your money on somebody's course and not really, and don't make a killing off of it, right? You want to make more than what you're going to spend. You're really hesitant about spending money on a course. I understand that because, you know, I'm not just going to give somebody my money if I don't feel like it's going to make me a lot of money. You get what I'm saying? And if we're speaking courses. Now, I'm explaining to you why the course I'm about to share with you guys is the best course in 2019, Amazon private label course. Guaranteed, hands down, on everything that I love. I can guarantee you that you're not going to find a better course than this. Oh my gosh, I can guarantee you that. Hands down, I'm so confident that this is the best course for you because, or for anyone, for several reasons. Now, for those of you that just want to get to the pudding, right? For those of you that just want to just like, okay, LeVar, I believe you. Where can I go take this course or go get this course because I'm ready for that next step? I'm going to post a link in the description, guys, to the webinar. Make sure you watch the whole thing because I just want you guys to really feel it. I want you guys to see the testimonials. I want you guys to see how many people made hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars from this course, guys. So I want you guys to see that. So I'm gonna post a link to the webinar in the description, but I want to explain to you why. So for those of you that do want to stick around, let me explain to you why this is the best course and the only course that you will ever need. I'm excited, man, because people have been asking me this and I just haven't really, I responded to it for you guys in like the private DM and told you, but now I'm making a video about it. Now I really, because it's 2019, you guys got to level up. I want to see you guys make no more baby money. I need you guys to be making like hundreds, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. All right, and I said the word millions. I'm not lying to you. All right, so here we go. The first reason why this is the best course and the last course you will ever need, I guarantee you, on everything I love, is because have you ever seen an ad on YouTube of somebody trying to sell you an Amazon private label course, or any course for that matter, right? I'm quite sure you have. We all have. Now, 9 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, that means every 9 ads you see out of 10, I should say 19 times out of 20. Every ad you see on YouTube or anywhere on the web that is talking about a private label Amazon course or a Facebook ads course or any one of these courses, these guys may have good courses. It may even make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. But most of them, 19 times out of 20, these guys took this kid's course. the course I'm about to share with you guys. Guarantee you. They took his course. So the first reason, basically, in short words, is everybody out there that are gurus, that think they're gurus, are because of him. Because of this course that I'm gonna share with you. They took this course and they made millions of dollars, and now they want to become their own guru, you know, for that type of money as well. But this guy is the real deal. I guarantee you, I promise you, you will make, your life will change. I promise you. You will be wealthy. If you listen to this guy word for word, if you take this course, I guarantee you, I can almost guarantee 100%. The only reason why I can't guarantee 100% is because you have some people out there that are just lazy, right? Who just don't want to try. But if you give a little bit of effort, if you get this course and you just give a little bit of effort, you're gonna win big. Put it that way. Put it that way. Guarantee. He makes it so freaking easy, guys. All right. So that's number one. Number two is the only other person that knows how to do Amazon or run an Amazon business like him is Jeff Bezos himself, guys. See, you guys gonna think I'm crazy. You guys gonna love, okay, you hyping it up. I'm not. I swear on everything I love, guys. This dude is a wizard. He's a freaking machine. He's a genius, all right? The course is insane. Like, I honestly think Jeff Bezos is his dad, low key, and he lying to everybody. And Jeff Bezos is his dad. The owner of Amazon has to be his dad and have to be like helping him out because the dude is that smart. Like, he is that smart, guys. And if you follow his course, you will win, guarantee you. So the value you're gonna get, the value, I don't care how much the course, for me personally, look, check this out, guys. So the course is $1,000, which is not a lot of money. I mean, I used to think $1,000 was a lot of money until I got into this field. Now, I can go spend a freaking $1,000 on anything right now. Like, $1,000 is doo-doo, right? So if you don't have that yet, watch some of my older videos, hustle up that 1,000, then go get this course because it's gonna change your life, man. And the value of this course, man, we're talking hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars you will make with this knowledge, guys. So if you're willing to throw away a life-changing opportunity over $1,000, then yeah, you need to stick at wherever you're working. You need to stay right there and have your boss and let them tell you what to do every single day. And yeah, and you need to keep that type of lifestyle. But for those of you that's ready to level up, here you go. I'm not, you know, I'm different than most people. You know, I understand. When I want something really bad, I need to have it. Like, the course is worth more than it's worth more than your dream car, guarantee you, because you will be able to buy your dream car after taking this course. It's worth more than your house because himself bought a $2.3 million mansion. I believe, yeah, 2.3 million, could be more, right? In his 20s, and I think he's still, yeah, he's young. He's still like 27 or 26. I don't know his age, I forget, but he's in his 20s. Within these, I think it was 15 months, I am believing, so a little bit over a year, went from nothing with Amazon to buying a $2.3 million mansion. $1 million mansion. If you take this course, you're gonna win big, guys. And that's reason number two. Not because of his mansions, all the money he has, right? It's because he knows Amazon better than Jeff Bezos. Not better, no, I can't say that. But he knows Amazon like Jeff Bezos was his dad. I kid you not, like, I don't understand. The dude's a guru. I mean, that's just what it is, guys. Only the people that want to level up and really want to jump, like, guys, if you are serious about your life, look, retail arbitrage will make you some money. I'm not gonna lie, retail arbitrage will make you, you know, thousands of dollars. But at this point, unless you're doing it from sun up to sundown every single day, Every single day from sun up to sundown. You're not going to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars with retail arbitrage. You just won't. It's just, unless you're doing it every day from sun up to sundown, which most of you guys are not doing that. Now, if you're happy just making a couple, you know, 10,000, 20,000, okay. Retail arbitrage could do that for you. You do it right. Retail arbitrage can do that for you. But if you want to make hundreds of thousands, like literally life-changing money, millions of dollars, like literally millions, guys, like be a millionaire, or at least be 100,000-aire. Like, come on, right? You know, buy a house for your family. You know, don't have to, like, forget college. Like, you don't need to even go to college, man. This course is, first off, let me not even talk about college, right? How much money you gonna spend on college and be in debt for like half your life, at least half your life, be in debt, when you can buy this course for a 1%, not even, like less than 1% of what a college tuition costs, right? And be a millionaire? You're out your mind if you don't jump on this opportunity, guys. That's that's all I'm gonna say about this. Listen, for those of you that really want to level it up and are ready to take that next level, you guys have been asking me for this. This is by far the best course, Amazon private label course of 2019 and forever. Like, not even just 2019, for anybody that ever wants to know how to do this and do it correctly and win. If you take this course, I guarantee you win. I guarantee you win. This guy's made more millionaires than the lotto did. So, I mean, I'm done. I want you to watch the webinar. Watch the full thing. I want you guys to see the testimonials. I want you guys to see how many people in a short amount of time after taking this are making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, guys. I'm gonna post a link in the description. It's gonna be the only link. It's the webinar. Watch what I'm telling you. If you don't believe me, go watch it, guys. Get your, listen, get your wallets ready. Get your debit card, get your credit card ready, because I guarantee you're going to have to jump on this. I guarantee you're going to want, I guarantee you're going to succeed if you take this. So, link in the description, guys. Best course of 2019 by far. Your boy said it. You guys know I'm not going to lie to you. And there it is, guys. There it is. Go check it out. Alright, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the bell to get notified when I upload. You guys already know, yada, yada, yada. To the newbies, it's peace and love. And I will see you next time. Go hop on that course. Level up your business. It's time for you to make hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars. I'm done. We out.